Everyone says this is the best beach on the Gold Coast.
So today we're walking Burleigh Heads to see if that's actually true.
But before you go, there's plenty of places to grab a bite to eat and get a quick drink.
So Burleigh's a really popular spot for the surfers, and as you can see in the background you've got Broadbeach and Surfers Paradise. Beautiful shady path once you get up the steps.
So before we show you Burleigh, we're going to do a little bit of a nature walk here and walk our way around to Palm Beach and then return to Burleigh.
It's really lovely in here, nice and shady. It's quite hot out in today's sun, so it's really nice just to walk along in the shade. Okay, I've hit a fork in the road and I'm not sure which way Andrew went. So I'm going to go with the theory that he'll think to himself, Trish is always right, so I'll go right. I love this path. One minute you're here all by yourself and the next there's a bunch of people walking past you. But at the moment, wow, this is lovely. Peaceful, quiet, all I can hear besides myself talking is the birds, little animals, the wind blowing through the leaves. It's really lovely. I'm guessing what you really want to know is where's the beach? This is meant to be about the Burleigh Heads beach. Well, we'll get there soon and it'll be worth the wait, I promise you. Oh look, my hat's all crooked. Whoopsies. There we go, that's better. Anyway, I'm heading towards the beach, won't be long. So I'm just coming down to Tallabudgera Creek Beach, I think it's called, Tallabudgera. If it's not right, put it in the comments and correct me. That'd be great. Thank you. It's beautiful. It's green. I'll show you very shortly. Not sure if you can see the colour of that water down there, but wow, isn't that magnificent? I'm heading down there now. So for those of you that know us, it's Trish and Andrew. You're probably wondering, where's Andrew? Well, he snuck ahead to film something else. And I was too busy yapping on the phone, so I lost him. But that's okay, I'll catch up with him soon. I'm pretty sure I know where he's going. So there's all these little beautiful paths off the track that lead you down to some rocks or a little bit of beach, and you can jump in. I won't go down there, there's a lady swimming. I'm sure she doesn't want someone filming. Yep, here he is. I told you I'd find him. Exactly where I thought he'd be. Probably looking for whales, but I don't think you'll find any here. Hello, what happened to you?
I just kept going. I looked around and you were gone.
Really? Is that what happened?
Yeah, that's what happened.
You sure?
I'm positive. And I wasn't going to go back. I thought you're heading the same direction. You'll catch me on the street.
Yeah, I was too busy yapping on the phone. That's my fault. And huffing and puffing. Alright, so what we're looking at here is Palm Beach. How magnificent is that? Look at those waves. It's just beautiful. Hey, here's a beautiful little safe swimming area for the kids. There's people kayaking, snorkeling. It's just great. A bit of sunbaking. Perfect spot for the day.
We actually found this place last year and I like it better than Burleigh, but we'll let you decide on that. So let's make our way back to Burleigh.
Now we've got a little bush turkey trying to hide from me. Come back out here, little fella. Where did you go? There he is. And this is why I got lost before. I walk at a normal person's pace. Andrew walks at a person that's in a race. I will catch up. Oh, look.
I actually walk at my pace. I walk at a normal pace.
Look how long your legs are. I've got short little corgi legs.
My legs are older than yours.
Well, that's no excuse. Mine are chunkier than yours. We could do this all day.
This is one of the highlights of the entire walk.
Last year we were here in September or October, and as far as the eye could see, there were whales.
Okay, we're back at the beach, and it is beautiful, and it is very popular, especially with surfers. But what if surfing's not your thing, and you just want to go for a swim? Well, just up the road, there's a beach that's very popular with the swimmers.
And that's where we're heading next, Broadbeach. If you've enjoyed coming along with us, you'll love the full walking tour version of this route. No talking, just the sights, sounds and real feel of the trail from start to finish.